friends, today we are going to learn some scientific information. How birds fly. Listen carefully and read with me. How do birds fly? Simple, you will say. Birds fly using their wings. True, but having wings is not enough. There are many other things that help to birds fly. Birds have very light bodies. Their bones are very strong but hollow. Their feathers have special shape. The feathers are arranged in special way in the wings. The wings have powerful muscles. Birds can move their wings easily on different ways. They can flap, they flutter, they soar high into the air. They glide in the sky. They can turn this way or that way as they fly. They can see things from far away. They can land easily and safely. Birds can ride the winds or air currents and travel long distance. Can you think of other